An energy company illuminating the world with a safe light. NEXPO. First launched in May 2003 as VAMP Korea, NEXPO has provided the best energy solutions with unparalleled technology. From ultra-high to low pressure and homes to large industrial sites, we take a step forward into a creative future by providing the world's highest level of power systems. Built from trust and technology, NEXPO's competitive edge is a benchmark for the energy industry. The continuous challenge to provide the safest and most economical energy creates innovative technology, and a passion for the new prepares future insights even before the customer wants it. NEXPO's technology puts customer safety first and offers innovations that have never been met before. The first and only in Korea. An arc system that protects life and facilities in the danger of ultra-high pressure and heat. A power monitoring control system that efficiently operates power facilities with automated technology. IED to securely protect and monitor plant facilities. PLC that covers everything from efficiency to safety, security, and trust. NEXPO's responsibility for customer safety and power automation. Innovative thought and deep expertise create a system that will amaze the world beyond Korea. Boldly trailblazing toward the safety of home, society, and country, we are solidifying NEXPO's position as a leading global brand. There is no limit to our safety efforts. There is no end to our challenge for happiness. All the energy solutions that the world wants start with NEXPO. An energy company illuminating the world with a safe light. NEXPO.